My name is Lkiesha and I'm from Manchester. So I had my surgery done here in Manchester yesterday. So I got the LASIK eye design. I'm a therapy radiographer. It impacted everything. We are still working with quite immunosuppressed patients at the minute, so a lot of the time we're still having to wear masks, even though a lot of people have come out of wearing masks after the pandemic. So even just having to speak to patients that are going through like immunotherapies and things like that, your glasses are just steaming up while you're trying to talk to them because you're still wearing your mask. Things like having to manoeuvre patients, a lot of the time we have to move them in a specific way to keep them nice and straight and prevent any damage done to them. So in order to do that, we're having to do a lot of lifting, and while I'm lifting my glasses are falling down, so I'm having to like put them back on. I prefer wearing contact lenses socially, but for work I couldn't really wear contact lenses because it's quite a dry environment, so they were just too irritating to be wearing every day. I hated them. Aesthetically, I feel like I preferred contact lenses, but wearing them all the time, they were just so irritating on your eyes, and I feel like it was really affecting how much of a good time I'd be having, because all I could think about was my eyes, and they were giving me headaches because they were so irritating. But for me, I just didn't like going out socially to wear my glasses, so it was kind of the price I paid for not having to wear my glasses. My mum had laser eye surgery about 10 years ago, and then when I got told I needed glasses, straight away I was like, as soon as I can have laser eye surgery, I want laser eye surgery. So it was just kind of waiting for an opportune moment where I could get it done. So it was on social media. I've seen the advert for it a couple of times, but you apply for them thinking, oh, I'll just give it a try, what have I got to lose? I think I've applied for it a couple of times actually, and this time I was actually successful, so it's exciting. It was so straightforward. So I came in for my appointment time. I had just a couple more checks just to make sure that everything was still regular to what I'd been having checked before. And then I came up, had a chat with the surgeon. The surgeon went through everything really thoroughly and was able to answer any questions that I had. I went in for the surgery. All the surgical team were really, really friendly, really welcoming, and put me at ease because I get very nervous about things. They literally just numb your eyes, cover up one of your eyes at a time, and you're just told to focus on a bright light. It feels a bit strange, but you literally don't really have any idea what's going on. You literally see just a few things coming at your eye, but it doesn't hurt. There's nothing really much to it, and it's literally over, pardon the pun, but in a blink of an eye. Yeah, he was lovely. He was very welcoming. He was very, knowledgeable. You could tell that he knew what he was doing, which for me, that really puts me at ease. He didn't beat around the bush with any sort of side effects, any sort of experiences that you might have after your treatment, and I like that. I want someone to be, tell me how it is, and don't try and put me at ease with, what ifs and things like that. He was really straightforward and knowledgeable. I got up at like 6 o'clock this morning just to look out the window to see if I could see. And yeah, yesterday coming out of the surgery, it was a bit blurry. Had a good sleep afterwards. Still a little bit blurry, but I could literally tell like every hour that it was just getting better. And then I woke up today and it was absolutely clear, and it's been really good. Yeah. Outside of my window there's like construction work going on at the minute, and I can't see what all of the signs say, so I literally don't know what's being built in front of me. So I literally ran outside to see if I could see all the signs. It's a burger shop. So it was quite strange because literally last week, one of the support workers that I work with said, I was getting changed and I take my glasses off to get changed, and she said, you look really different when you've not got your glasses on. And I was like, well, you better get used to it. So I think they'll be shocked because I've literally been yapping on about this since I heard back from competition. So it's crazy how much I feel like glasses set me back. I feel like they made me really insecure. I feel like I just wasn't very confident, and it's just simple things like not having to worry about whether you're gonna wear contact lenses, how long you're gonna wear them for. When it's summer, getting sunglasses, but then if you get prescription sunglasses, you've got to take them off when you're inside and then you can't see, and it's just always remembering to have glasses wipes, always remembering to have like your sunglasses, having your normal glasses, having a case, not breaking them, because I'm really bad for breaking them. So I think it's just the little things like that I'm just really looking forward to. I would recommend it to anyone, especially at Optical Express. I feel like everyone's been really welcoming, really friendly, and it's been really nice that, you know, you come in for your appointment, they remember who you are, and I think it just adds a little extra to the experience. Anyone that's on the fence, I'd just say you just need to just go for your consultation and do it. It's really nice to hear like that they're going to look after you and you do feel supported during the whole journey. There's always someone there for you to contact, whether it's over the phone or via email. So any stresses that you might have, the people are there to answer any questions that you've got.